Most people work harder to earn more. Creators and entrepreneurs learn to do something smarter. They use leverage. Leverage is how you create more impact with less effort. It's how you grow beyond the limits of your own time, energy, and presence. When you understand digital leverage, how to use time, brand, and systems, you stop trading hours for income and start building something that works for you. Step 1. Leverage time. Shift from active to asset. At first, we all start the same way, trading our time for money. We coach, consult, design, write, or create one-on-one. That's how you start, but it's not how you scale. The secret is to turn your time into assets. That could be recording your knowledge into digital courses, creating evergreen content that grows your audience 24/7, or building templates and guides that sell on autopilot. Every time you turn something you do into something that works while you rest, you gain digital leverage. Step 2. Leverage brand. Multiply your trust. Brand leverage means your reputation starts doing the heavy lifting for you. When people know, like, and trust you, they buy faster, refer more, and need less convincing. Every time you show up with value, share your perspective, and stay consistent, your brand becomes a magnet. It attracts aligned clients, opportunities, and collaborations, even when you're not actively promoting yourself. Your brand becomes your silent salesperson. The stronger your brand, the less you have to sell. People start coming to you because your message already speaks for you. Step 3. Leverage systems. Scale without sacrifice. Systems are the backbone of every sustainable creator business. They're what allow you to keep growing without burning out. A system can be an automated workflow that delivers your products, a repeatable content process that saves you hours each week, or a team or tool that handles what you no longer need to do manually. Systems turn chaos into clarity. They make your business predictable, scalable, and peaceful. Step 4. Combine the 3 for exponential growth. The magic happens when you combine all 3 levers. Time leverage gives you freedom. Brand leverage gives you credibility. System leverage gives you scalability. Together, they form your digital ecosystem, a business that's not just profitable, but powerful. You create once, serve many. You show up once, stay visible forever. You build once, earn again and again. Step 5. Focus on the long game. Digital leverage doesn't happen overnight. It's built through consistent effort and smart decisions that compound over time. At first, it might feel like you're working harder with little reward, creating systems, building trust, documenting processes. But leverage takes time to build, and then it pays you back in time. Every piece of content, every client transformation, every system you put in place adds up to freedom. You don't need to work more to grow. You just need to leverage better. When you use your time wisely, build a brand that speaks when you don't, and set up systems that keep your business running, you unlock the next level of entrepreneurship. Effortless scale. Digital leverage isn't about doing everything. It's about building things that keep working even when you're not. Instead of asking, how can I do more? Start asking, how can I make what I've already done work harder for me? That's the moment your side hustle becomes a sustainable business, and your personal brand becomes your most powerful asset.